talking about the VA series of valves, there are three sizes in the series. There's the VA 130s, 300s, and 450s. And what these valves are is they're a pre-comp sectional hydraulic valve that we can go up to 11 or 12 sections depending on the different sizes to run different functions on the machine. All the sections are compensated. You can run the valve as a load sense or open center valve. Now the flow ranges go all the way up to about 120 gallons for the 450, and the 300 max goes up to about 60 gallons. And these are work section flows, and the 130 is about 35 gallons out of each section. So one of the great things there is you can, on one machine, you can control and have great stability from 1 gallon up to 120 gallons, all in one valve. And then max pressures goes up to about 5,300 psi. Another big advantage of using this valve is you can adapt the sections directly to each other. The 300s and 450s have the same valve pattern, so you can bolt them directly to each other. These are robust, high-use valves. It's a super stable valve, but then in a robust application, forestry is one of the most difficult applications, harsh on equipment out there. I think Parker has done a good job of taking account in all of their other valve designs, and they've taken little features from all valves that they have used in the past and kind of packaged them into this valve. So they're extremely configurable. You know, you can change your pressure on a section basis, your outlet pressure based off of the load sense. They're called feed reducers. Or you can change your work pressure for any external forces that are on the actuators. We're a great resource, mainly because we've seen so many different applications. We can go to an application, we have a good understanding of, why we should use this valve. Now, the other side of that is the integrated manifold side. In engineering, we're designing integrated manifolds that bolt up to these valves every single day and really just cleans up plumbing. It reduces labor side at assembly, easier to troubleshoot, just a ton of advantages. We just had an application where it required a low flow function that wasn't necessarily, the controllability wasn't that important. You had to run a function at 10 GPM and that's it, it's on or off. No reason to add another section. So instead of that, we just designed a little inexpensive manifold that can be bolted right onto it for that section. We're cleaning up plumbing on customers' machines a whole lot by using custom integrated manifolds on these valves. Instead of mounting 10 valves on line mount bodies and having 20, 30 hoses, you bolt it right between the sections and it makes just a really clean solution.